How to reconcile an account in QuickBooks Online. Reconcile an account in QuickBooks Online. Step 1. Have the bank statement of the account you'll be reconciling at hand. Step 2. Launch QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Step 3. Before you proceed, you need to make sure that you have accurate records in QuickBooks. Step 4. To do this, go to Banking and scroll down to the list and record all the money coming in and going out for the month. Step 5. Once done, add and match as required. Step 6. Now, head over to Accounting and click on Reconcile. Step 7. In the Reconcile screen, select Account. Step 8. You will notice that the beginning balance is already listed from the previous reconciliation. Step 9. Now, get your bank statement and note your ending balance. Put the amount in the QuickBooks ending balance box. Step 10. Check the bank statement for the ending date as well and fill it. Step 11. Once you're done, click on Start Reconciling. Step 12. In the new screen, take your bank statement and compare the data to its information in QuickBooks, especially the dates and amounts. Step 13. If you see an amount listed for difference, there may be a check missing, and you need to check off everything listed under statement. Step 14. To check off, compare the transaction in your bank statement to QuickBooks and check them. Step 15. If you see an item in your list that is not in your bank statement, do not check it. Step 16. If you have your account connected to QuickBooks, you'll notice that most of the transactions with a check next to them, which means that they've already been reconciled. Step 17. Once you are done checking everything off the statement, you will see that the difference has gone down to $0. Step 18. If there are any transactions in your statement that did not get checked off, it could be a mistake, or the check wasn't simply cashed. Step 19. Once you're done, click on Finish Now in the upper right corner, then click on Done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 or +44 800 0548 150.